Hello friends, myself Dr. Anita. Today we will talk with D. Prabhu Shankar ji from Chennai. He has connected with me and we will know about quantum therapy. So he is treating the patients and diagnosing the patients with this therapy, and uh, he has named his clinic as Prabhu's Quantum Clinic. So let's join him and ask him what is quantum therapy. So hello sir, you are welcome in our show. Lots of thanks to you to spare your valuable time for us. So, first of all, we would like to know what is quantum therapy.
Good afternoon to all the people who are watching. Quantum therapy is basically, we want to say in a simpler aspect to make even everybody to understand. It is a physics which has a different principle than classical physics. And in every atom, you can see proton, neutron, and electron. Inside an atom, there are quarks. Many quarks are there. So the plural form of quark is quantum. It has a different physical phenomena than our physical reality. In our classical physics, we will learn a different aspect of physics where we can see and interpret and see the outcome of the calculations and experiments. Whereas in quantum, we cannot see the results because it is happening in a very, very, very nano level. But the outcome, now they're using computers, the outcome of the result can be seen. Even though directly we cannot see the interactions and the principles of the quantum, but in a larger way, you can see that the interactions and the outcome of the result. Likewise, it is happening in our body also. The outcome of the result we can see. But the direct physical phenomena, what is happening directly, we cannot see. Because it is happening in such a small nano level scale, we don't have equipment to visualize it. But now they have come with the equipments and things which are able to calculate the things. So only they are able to understand and able to say that outcome of that physical results. And they have formulated based on that equations and formulas, which are easily calculation we can get the outcome of that calculation. So simply speaking, we cannot see the direct interpretation, but the outcome can be seen in the physical reality. That is what quantum actually means.
So, does it help in only diagnosing the disease, or is it helpful in treating the disease also?
It is actually helping in treating and see, you don't limit with only the treating. Quantum is present in everywhere, in all aspects of life. It is
Yes.
I have taken it from a treatment point of view. But apart from that, everybody can use this quantum principle in day-to-day life and reap its benefit, and they can grow out of it. Everybody can learn this and everybody can use it, and they have excellent upliftment of their life because of that. See, actually for your question, you can easily diagnose a patient based on this quantum principle. And I have made this therapy and I have teach this therapy to more than 7,000 people, easily able to understand and see what is the root cause of the problem in the physical body without the patient telling their problem. And once you diagnose that and you can treat based on that, in whichever method of therapy you know, you can use this principle and treat based on this principle in your method of whether allopathy, ayurveda, siddha, unani, any method of allopathy practice or any other medicinal practice you can use this quantum principle, find the root cause and treat based on that, which will have excellent result and faster result than existing now prevailing your method of treatment.
Okay. Yeah. So mainly you use it for diagnosing the root cause of the disease, and so that we can treat it accordingly. So, okay. So, sir, how do you integrate it with the, you said you integrate it with Western and Eastern method. So how do you do that?
See, I am actually practicing acupuncture for more than 25 years. So
Okay.
I know the allopathic point of view and I know Western diagnosis and Eastern diagnosis. When I integrated both, there was some blocking point which was not answering because their point of view is different, their point of view is different, but both are working on the same body. So there is something which is missing, which is linking both. So I came across this quantum principle and I try to interconnect with these two since I know about Western medicine and I know about Chinese acupuncture. I integrated and I found that the missing link is this quantum principle, which is linking both and having excellent result on both. So both can understand in our physical body in which way it works. I am teaching this in that way that they can easily understand and how it is working inside our body and what are the aspects we have to take care. And so without any medicine, how we can prevent the disease from coming. That I am teaching to the students who are learning from me. So they can prevent the disease before it comes. So that is a wonderful aspect of this therapy, where everyone can learn and use this as a preventive medicine. Before a disease comes, they can prevent from the disease. That is the primary aspect of my therapy.
Okay. Sir, as you said, you have spent more than 11 years in clinical documentation in USA as a medical language specialist. So, how has this background influenced your approach to holistic healing?
See, I was doing medical transcription for 11 years to learn about how they diagnose, how the Western medicine used to diagnose the patient. And I was searching for the answers. And they also had so much of thing. After operation, they have plateaued their exploration. So once they did an operation, they rely on tablets. And once the tablet is not working, that's all. At the end of the game, like that. So I have seen so much of patients record. And I came to a conclusion that Western medicine and Eastern medicine are really approaching a different aspect where the link between those two is missing. So I was searching for the link and I was searching and searching and I got the answer through quantum and I researched with that with many patients, whatever I found out practically. So I got results and I was astonished to have faster results. Then previously, which I was working as an acupuncturist, uh, I have a faster result than previous acupuncture method of approach I did. So I had a faster result than normal acupuncture.
So, can you share some challenging case that may encountered, and how quantum therapy had provided the solution with that case?
Yeah. Now, one of my student, I have taught them if they had some cardiac arrest or anything, certain points where they can use to stimulate and recuperate without making this chest pressure and all. And one of my students done this, and they said that this patient was no breathing and no pulse also. So she went within 10 minutes there and she treated based on my thing, which how to do under emergency situation. She done that and immediately the patient started breathing and his pulse came back. and they went to the hospital, till hospital. She was with the patient, and once admitted, they took a ECG, and they was astonished to see that this patient was dead for 10 minutes, and then he was recuperated immediately. And they do not know how he recuperated, and they were astonished. Within one day, they got released from the hospital and came back without any further treatment. That was the astonishing thing. And the patient said she will not disclose her records because they have personal issues like that. So, but I had the recordings, but I cannot disclose that of the patient and their testimonials.
Okay. Okay. So, sir, as you said earlier, you train and you teach this therapy to students and your patients also. So,
Yeah.
have you developed any courses online or offline so that our viewers, if they want, they may connect with you for this therapy?
Yes, I have from 2017. I have recorded my class and put in my website prabhusquantumtherapy.com, where you can register and learn in Hindi and English. In Hindi, it is also available, and in English also it is available. And the thing is, it will be for 7 hours of video, like a full day class. And you can learn that and you can use in your practical life. Even those who do not know acupuncture also can learn and use that in their practical life, which I will explain over phone in English. I do not know Hindi. That is the problem with me. I only know English and Tamil. But the Hindi was taken by a Chandigarh person. He will teach in Hindi. That video is also available. If you prefer Hindi, there is Hindi videos. And if you prefer English, which I will be teaching in English, you can learn through English or in Hindi. It is available in my website, prabhusquantumtherapy.com. If you go visit, there will be a menu in which you can register and learn on that.
Okay. So you have a video in Hindi and English also to
Yes,
get
yes.
help from for quantum therapy.
Yes.
Okay. So apart from your website, our viewers can connect with Prabhu Shankarji on our health portal healme.in also, because we will have his profile on our portal and you may connect with that also. So thank you so much, Prabhu Shankarji. You very well help us with the quantum therapy. It's a new therapy here. I think nobody is doing this in the northern region. So thanks so much for your time and for your concern and a very big namaskar to you. Thank you.
आंचल सरस्वती विद्या मंदिर चैरिटेबल ट्रस्ट ASVCT एक नॉन प्रॉफिटेबल रजिस्टर्ड ट्रस्ट है जो 2004 से अंडरप्रिविलेज्ड बच्चों को अच्छी शिक्षा, एम्प्लॉयबल स्किल्स और अच्छी सेहत देने के लिए इस क्षेत्र में कार्य कर रही है। इस ट्रस्ट के फाउंडर ट्रस्टी श्री धर्मिंदर शर्मा पिछले 20 वर्षों से पहले पार्ट टाइम और अब फुल टाइम इस ट्रस्ट में निस्वार्थ भाव से सेवा कर रहे हैं। इस ट्रस्ट के 3 डिवीजन हैं, जिनमें से हेल्थ डिवीजन को डॉक्टर अनीता गर्ग जो एक आयुर्वेदिक फिजिशियन है और ASVCT के हेल्थ प्रोजेक्ट्स को निस्वार्थ भाव से हैंडल कर रही है। डॉक्टर अनीता गर्ग कई सालों से लोगों को अच्छा स्वास्थ्य पाने में सहायता कर रही हैं। ये मौली जागरण में एक क्लिनिक चैरिटेबल रेट्स पर भी चला रही हैं और लोगों को ज्यादा से ज्यादा लाभ पहुंचाने के लिए एक होलिस्टिक हेल्थ पोर्टल HealMe के नाम से भी लेकर आई है। इस पोर्टल पर होलिस्टिक हीलिंग थेरेपीज को प्रमोट किया जाता है और इनका मिशन है कि वेल नोन और लेजर नोन थेरेपीज को आम लोगों तक पहुंचाया जाए, जिससे लोग मेडिसिन के मिनिमम यूज या बिना मेडिसिन के भी इन थेरेपीज की मदद से अपने को हील कर सकते हैं। ASVCT के चैरिटेबल हेल्थ प्रोजेक्ट्स को HealMe पूरी तरह से सपोर्ट कर रहा है। इसी मिशन में ASVCT और HealMe ने एक हेल्थ सीरीज की शुरुआत की है, जिसमें आपको डिफरेंट हॉलिस्टिक हीलिंग थेरेपीज और उनके ऑथेंटिकेटेड लर्नर्ड और एक्सपीरियंस्ड थेरेपिस्ट से इंट्रोड्यूस करवाएंगे। यह सभी थेरेपिस्ट अपनी थेरेपी की डिटेल्ड नॉलेज आपको देंगे और आप इन थेरेपीज को अच्छे से समझ सकेंगे। जरूरत पड़ने पर आप HealMe हेल्थ पोर्टल पर इन थेरेपिस्ट्स से कांटेक्ट भी कर पाएंगे।